Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dhruvi Patel. I am first year student of Computer Engineering at Swaminarayan University. Today I am going to solve LeetCode problem number 6 to 8, which is maximum product of three numbers. So in this problem I have given a nums array and I have to find the maximum three possible numbers from the array which gives the maximum product from these three numbers. So here, as in example 1, I have given only three numbers, so I have to multiply all the three numbers and return the product as the product of three numbers, which is 6. After that, in example 2, I have four numbers and I am multiplying all the three maximum number, so I am getting maximum product of the nums array. After that, I am in example 3, I have all the three negative numbers, so I have to multiply all the three numbers and return the result as the product of three output, which can be maximum. So this is the problem. Now let's see the approach to solve this problem. So this is the approach. So first of all, I have to sort the array in the ascending order. So when I am sorting the array in ascending order, it sort the array from minimum number to maximum number, and I am here, as I have to find the three maximum number. So I am here I am using two techniques, which is option 1 and option 2. So I am taking all the three last digit of the last element of the array after sorting, which is maximum. So I am multiplying all the three maximum numbers of the array, so I can get the maximum product of the array. And here there is option 2, which can be possible. So here when the array contains the negative values, so here I have to when I am sorting the negative values, so negative values are minimum negative values are giving the maximum product. When I am multiplying two negative values, its product become positive, so I am getting the maximum positive product from these two numbers. And after that I am multiplying nums of num minus 1 value, because it gives the maximum positive value. So by multiplying these two values, I am getting positive value, and after multiplying maximum number with it, also I am getting the highest possible product of the array by the three numbers. So at last I am checking from which number is maximum. If there is option 1 is maximum, then I am storing max in the then I am storing value of option 1 in a max variable, otherwise I am storing option 2. Now let's take example to understand. So this is the array I have given. So when I am sorting it, it becomes minus 10. So it is sorted also, so I do not have to sort it, so it is already sorted. Now when I am checking, so here when I am checking for the option 1, so what the result I am getting is, this is the option 1. Now when I am multiplying these last two digits as I have given in option 1, so I have to multiply nums of n minus 1, n minus 2 and n minus 3. So I have to multiply these three digits, so it gives result as a 35. After that, when I am checking for when I am checking it for option 2, so in option 2 I can multiply these two numbers, which is at as I say, in 0th index and at the first index. So this gives the result as 80, and after that I have to multiply number which is at the n minus 1 position, which is this. So here I have to multiply 80 with 7, so it can give the maximum result. So it gives 560 as the result. So I have to check which number is maximum from both this option 1 and option 2. So as you can see, option 2 is maximum, so I have to store the value of option 2 in the maximum. Now let's doing the code. So here I am taking variable max product to store the value of option 1 and 2. Now here I am taking option 1. Option 1 stores nums of n minus 1. Here also I have to take the variable which is int n. N variable stores the size of a nums array. So here nums dot size. After that I have to multiply in option 1 nums of I plus 2, nums of n minus 2. After that multiplying nums of n minus 3. So after that here I am taking the variable option 2 which takes the first two values in the nums array after sorting. So also here I have to sort the after taking this variable I have to sort the nums array. So here I am sorting nums dot begin nums of nums dot end. Now after that here I am taking int variable n which contains which stores the size of nums array. So here I am storing size of nums array. After that I am taking two variables which is option 1. So in option 1 I am multiplying the last three elements of the number after sorting, because it is the maximum after sorting it in a ascending order. Now nums of n minus 2 and nums of n minus 3. After that I am taking another variable which is option 2. Here I have to take nums of 0 and I am taking first two values. If the array contains negative value, then first two value gives the maximum negative value, and after multiplying both the negative value it gives the maximum positive result. After that I have to multiply it with the maximum positive value it stores, which is nums of n minus 1. So after multiplying all these three, it may gives the maximum result. So here I have to store the maximum value of the from the option 1 and 2 in the max product. So I am using here max method to store from option 1 and option 2. After that here I am returning max product variables value at the end. So this is the solution. Now let's check the code. So as you can see, it passed all the 4 test cases. Now also I can add custom test case from here. So this is the custom test case. Now let's check the code by running. So also it passed custom test case. Now check the code by submitting if it is working for all the test cases or not. So it is successfully working for all the 93 test cases here. Now let's check the time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity is n log n and space complexity is all big O of 1. So here I do not require any data structure. I do not consume any memory here to store any values. So the time complexity, space complexity is constant, which is big O of 1. And here I am using the sorting method, which whose time complexity is n log n. So our code's time complexity becomes n log n. So this is the solution. If you find this solution helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.